Hello, friends, and welcome to the 12 Days of Crafting Advent. I'm your friendly Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator Susanne here, and today is day 6. So, of course, I'll be featuring the 12 Days of Crafting Advent calendar. And it's still, I think it's on last chance right now, so get it when you can. If you're in Canada, it's $136 plus tax and shipping. And it's been a lot of fun for this last week. And behind the door number 6 are these absolutely adorable, they're adorable puffy stickers. There's cherries and bows and rainbows and cupcakes and flowers and strawberries. Oh my. So we're going to create with them today, and we're going to combine some of the other things that came in the Advent calendar. So I have a piece of basic white here. This is just a scrap piece of paper. I am inking up the striped image here, and I believe this is a cupcake wrapper, so I am going with it. Again, we're going to do a birthday card. So that was crumb cake, and here we go with flirty flamingo. I have flirty flamingo for the card base, and also you're going to see some other papers up there. There's another piece of white, which is 4 by 5 1/4. There's the designer series paper that's 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and then another strip of white that is 2.5 by 5 or 4 3/4. So now that I've made the cupcakes, I'm fussy cutting them out, and I am only going to do one for you. As you can see, it's pretty darn easy to cut these out for sure. And yeah, it's not a problem. All right, moving on. Here we have the flirty flamingo. I'm inking up the sentiment that says birthday wishes. I'm coming in with strawberry slush. I had to check to see if this was strawberry slush or melon mambo, and just because of the way the ink is on that ribbon, I can tell I can tell what ink it was. So anyway, I just sort of used a little bit of that and inked up the word wishes, so it would become just a little bit darker. So that's a little trick for you. So I'm going to cut this piece of white strip down, and then I'm going to put adhesive behind it, and then bring in another little scrap of flirty flamingo. So this is it's a unique way of making the sentiment stand out without having to change up a lot of colorway. So I am going to leave a little bit, well, about 1/8 of an inch, maybe, sorry, 1/16 of an inch on the left hand side, and then I'm trying to just mat it a little bit. Now I'm coming in with my little trusty trimmer. This used to be, it was a signing bonus or something like that from Stampin' Up! Oh, so long ago. I really like it. It's handy to have on the desk for this purpose alone, so you can't buy it anymore. All right, and now we're going to do some spritzing. I have all the markers and the ink markers, and Stampin' Up! Has these on last chance. They are no longer going to be selling them, and that's fine, but I will still continue to use them. So you saw what I did there. I put the nib in the lid and I flicked really hard, and you're not going to wreck the nib. And yeah, you are, it's going to be okay. There are no rules and regulations on how to use those markers. So let's put this card together. We matted the designer series paper from the Advent calendar with the white. I'm adhering that with my Seal Plus. And, even with the, little strips here, I think I only put 9 on there. It will hold. I promise you, the Seal Plus is extremely strong. That is why I love it. but sometimes it's hard to get out of the container, which is why I hate it. I have a love-hate relationship with some adhesive. How about that? But I have plenty. We just had a Black Friday sale, and I have plenty of the adhesive. So I'm lucky. All right, so here is, I'm putting that little piece there, and then I sort of situated where I wanted my cupcakes to go. Two of them, this one has a dimensional on it, and the other one has a dimensional on it, and then I'm going to use Seal Plus for the middle one. And then we're going to adhere the sentiment, and so there is two dimensionals on the left hand side and just one dimensional on the other two. All right, so now we get to use the puffy stickers, and I initially was going to put this one over here. I did like it over here on the left, but I didn't press it down too hard just because I had to consider it. All right, so then I took the cherries and I plunked them on the right cupcake, and I took a strawberry from this packet. They're both the same. Like I don't know why I didn't choose the cherry from there, but maybe it was too far for me to reach, like literally. What's wrong with me? I could use some help. Anyway, and then the cupcake went on the cupcake. So I thought these were super cute. I love the puffy stickers. They're fun, but there wasn't enough embellishment. So I really liked those non-adhesive, golden, sparkly, what do you call them, dots? And I sprinkled some on in a random fashion on the left hand side of the card. I made sure that it was an odd number, not an even number. And we know even numbers we like to count, and odd numbers it feels natural. I don't know why psychologists have told us that, and I'm going to believe them because guess what? I'm a hairdresser, not a psychologist. Although I would say sometimes that my job is I listen a lot to people, and it's really interesting to hear their stories. So I guess I'm kind of a psychologist. Anyway, let's write a novel about that. Hey, Sue. Anyway. I took my little take your pick tool, and I'm using the putty end, and the putty end is getting a little too sticky. So I brought out my pokey tool to smash down my little dot and adhere it to the glue that I did. But we are not finished yet. I go over the cupcake tops and the mat of the birthday wishes greeting with my Wink of Stella. Someone in the comments yesterday said I was the reason why they bought the Wink of Stella. I am so proud. Thank you so much. And I said I was not wrong about the Wink of Stella. Once you have it, you cannot survive without it. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave me some lovely comments below. I will see you tomorrow, and bye for now.